Today I'm going to narrate a short story on the topic bound of a mother and a son. One day a son was sent to fetch a firewood alone in thick dense forests of southern foothills of Bhutan. He was all alone and a young kid. I was scared to go alone, but at the same time he don't want to make his mother sad. So he left to fetch firewood, carrying a dagger given by his late father when he was one. When it was time for him to get back to home, it was already dark. That made him more scared, but he was determined to go home as early as possible because his mother might be searching for him. While rushing back to home, on the way he met with his own replica. He was shocked to see him. He asked him, "Who are you?" And in return, the boy asked him the same question. They looked the same as they looked each other. Now the question was, who is the real one? Real son of the mother. The real son was afraid. What if his mother chose other one over him? Many things were running in his mind after reaching home. Mother was confused and shocked to see two sons. She was not able to recognize her two sons. She was thinking of some ideas to find her true son. Next day she called both the son and told them there will be a race between two of them. Whoever gets first and enter the container will be her son. That made her real son more tense because he was thinking, how can a human can fit into that small container? Other one was happy and was sure that he will win the race. As the race started, the real son was not able to run as fast as other one. Other one was running very fast and eventually got into container. As and when it got into container, the mother quickly closed the container and threw that closed container into river and said to her real son, "Don't worry, my child, there is always a solution and God help who helps themselves." Both of them rejoiced and stayed happily ever after. If you like this story, please like, share and subscribe. Until then, thanks for being with me. Thank you.